G'day everybody, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to chroma key in DaVinci Resolve in the edit page. It's really simple. It probably takes a couple of minutes, depending on obviously what you are trying to chroma key, what you're trying to overlay here. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do so. It is extremely simple to do. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to obviously grab the footage that I need, which is going to drop that in there. Now with the footage, this one here, I've already pre-edited this one and I actually forgot to actually put the little thing that pops up and goes, please subscribe. So that's the reason why I'm doing this now. We are literally going to drag the subscribe button on, but at the start of this video, I've already got titles that are popping up. So if I put it there, it will just look really stupid. So I'm going to put this just before I go on to the cars ride in Disneyland. And the ride broke down for like 20 minutes while we were there. So as it always does. All right, I'm going to drag my little cursor just in the middle, just so I've actually got the please subscribe button so I know what I'm actually chroma keying. Just make sure that you've actually got the figure that you're wanting to chroma key around in your actual field of view, so you actually know what the hell you're chroma keying in the first place. This one's actually very simple because it's a very solid green background. When it's not a solid green background, you really want to make sure that when we do the little drawing bit in a second, that we actually get all the corners. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the effects tool down here. So just make sure you do click the effects here. You're not in index or sound library, so we're clicking the effects. Go to open effects in your actual down here, and we want to open this little search bar up like so. All right, and we're going to type in the word key. It is 3D keyer. That's what we're looking for. We're going to drag that 3D keyer over the top, and you'll notice as soon as I drag that over the top, it actually opens up the effects tab. Please make sure that you're actually not in the mixer. You're actually in the inspector tab or the metadata. Just make sure you're in the inspector tab. That's where you need to be during this period. All right. Now, once we've done that, we are going to, normally this will be on transform, but I've been playing around with DaVinci Resolve today. So you want to drop this down so it actually says open effects overlay. All right. We're going to go to the effects tab. We're then going to go to this little bad boy there, the picking tool. Okay, so it's the one with the little circle around it. You're going to drag it across, click your mouse, and you're going to do lots of drawing. So we want to get into the corners, making sure that you're getting all the green. And the reason why we're doing it, while I'm just showing you this, is just in case you've done a bit of chroma keying, you've actually got the screen on the background, you've done some lighting, and you've got some shadows. This is the reason why you're actually drawing around your subject. You're trying to get as much as that green as you possibly can. What will happen is you'll have a little bit of a green spill, okay? Around the edge. And that green spill is right around there. Okay, so what we want to do is I want to obviously get rid of that green spill. We just don't want it there. All right, so let's open that up a bit so you can actually have a look. So you can see there's slight green there. So we're going to dispel this, and I'm going to take this all the way up to 100%. Now, you don't always need to go to 100%. Just remember that sometimes when you do despill, that's trying to take that edge away a little bit, so you can over despill. So just make sure you find that right balance for yourself when you're actually despilling it. Sometimes you only need to go 50, sometimes or 0.5 or whatever. This one here, I'm going to 1.0. Okay, so basically I'm going to 100% despilling it across the board. All right, and that is pretty much lit. Unfortunately, I don't like where this is located, so I'm going to grab my transform, click it back. We're going to grab it, we're going to move it over to maybe this corner here. Yep, no, it's a little bit too small for my liking. Let's make it a bit bigger so people can actually see it. Move it up about there, perfect. And right, so that's it, you're done. Nice and simple. Okay, so that's basically it. Then you can do your next task or whatever you're needing to do in DaVinci Resolve. If you did find this helpful, please smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. You guys know what to do. You've done it all before. Other than that, as always, I do hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers, mate. Bye.